Hello everybody, welcome back to the another video of Lemon Solution. In this video we are going to tell you how you can share someone's story. So let's get started. For this you have to first click on Instagram app. From the stories present at the top of the screen, click on your favorite. Suppose I want to share this story with my friend. So for this I will tap on the option present at the bottom right corner of the screen. I can share it with anyone I like, but remember, I can only share this story when this account is public. In case if this account was private, I would not be able to share it with the people who does not follow this account. So keep this in mind. But if you really love this story and you want to share it anyhow, so for that you can screenshot the story, and Instagram is not going to tell anybody that you have screenshot this story. Feel free to do this. But remember, there are a ton of third-party apps that can tell the user who have screenshot his or her story.